everyone. So I'm gonna be like basically recreating this video I did, I don't even remember what year it was, but it was basically where I was going through my scene phase. I wanted really big hair. I was a massive fan of Christina Grimmie, rest her soul, and yeah, I just wanted hair like hers, and that is why my hair had those really short layers, and yeah, and that is why I got the poof. This is brilliant. It's literally 10 years ago, so that would have made this 2013, which would have made me about 14. But I've got my brunette back, so at least we're getting the vision, but I don't have the layers. And I've got like curtain bangs, which I think I can like kind of turn into my swoopy bangs again. But yeah, we're just gonna follow along and see like what we can actually do here. So I'm just gonna quickly go off camera. I'm gonna straighten my hair because I have it straight in this video, and I'm just gonna try and swoop my bangs over just to see if I can actually do that still, and then we shall continue. Okay, so I've straightened my hair. One thing I actually didn't show, how I actually like heat styled the actual bangs to get them in the shape they were, and I had a very specific way of doing it back then. I still remember how to do it. Not that there's many like scene kids nowadays like that do this hair, but I'm gonna show the generation anyway how to do this. So obviously we had a very strong part back in the day. That's it. Probably even like some people literally had it like all the way over there. Most people had it like here, but I usually had it like there. So you would take this bit of the bang, you would flip it up as if you were doing a curl, and you would literally do that. And what that did was kind of gave you the structure of it, and then you would just go along and do the same to all the other pieces. Put back this way. I don't know if it's going to work because it's so long. I used to take, well, didn't used to have to take this bit because it's quite long with the curtain bangs, so I would just straighten the ends down if my fringe was ever outgrown. Oh God, this is actually awful. This is so ugly. Yeah, so it was kind of like a technique of curling and straightening at the same time. But it definitely weren't as hard as this. I think it's because my fringe is like just so long compared to what it was. Oh God. I literally look like fucking Justin Bieber. This is awful. Right, okay. This is it. This is it. This is how my hair used to be before I backcombed it. So now we're going to get on to the tutorial. And yeah, we're going to just... Can't even look at myself. This is actually awful. I'm actually crapping myself. I was so awkward and nervous on like the camera. I still kind of am, but like nowhere near as bad as this. Sorry, Lily. Okay. Dick. Right. So I don't have that brush anymore. The only thing I could find similar is my Dyson brush, and it's because like the narrowness of it was really good for backcombing. So we're gonna go ahead with this brush, and then I also say I'm about to say I'm gonna use a Schwarzkopf hairspray, which I remember well because I found that in Savers. I was so lucky back in the day. You cannot find that anymore, and that was a good hairspray. But we're just gonna use good old Tresemme for now. That was a good hairspray. Schwarzkopf. You know, it's a hard word to say. I don't blame myself. Look at those layers.
Just like that. Then you
Okay.
push it from downside, from tip to root.
Okay, girl. So I literally like took my brush and dragged, like there was no structure to this whatsoever. Brought my hair up. Oh god, this is actually awful. And then tip to root. How fucking long are my layers? I ain't got layers, bitch. Right. Oh my god. Okay. Continue.
Like a little scruff ball. It's okay because we'll make this smooth in a minute. So there's no need to worry about if your hair looks ratty or anything.
God, I remember when you used to use the words ratty.
And spray.
Okay.
Now, just put that there, whatever. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. But... so you basically just want to get all your layers.
Okay, girl. I trust the process.
Tease them.
Okay.
Yes, it will
Oh
work.
god, I can't see.
I wasn't doing. Oh my god. Like, I don't know. I just put it anywhere so it kind of looks like a clown.
These are literally just random bloody sections.
No one's gonna.
No, oh no, not the fucking song.
Doesn't really matter because it turns out nice, hopefully.
Oh, my hair. My poor hair.
All the bits you keep, and then hopefully.
Okay.
Okay. So that's basically all. I don't really do a lot of them,
Ah!
and it seems to work for me. That's okay. So just want to hairspray all of that again.
Oh shit, she's done the other side. Hang on. She's way ahead of me. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. Yeah, okay. Sorry, my camera stopped all of a sudden. So we're literally very gently brushing this out and you kind of missed a little bit, so I do apologise. So literally all I've done is like brushed it very gently. You definitely had to have the haircut for this hairstyle. Like having normal hair, it just looks really odd. But when I had those layers, it looked sick AF. We're turning it over. My hair. This song. I look awful. Yeah. Christ. No, I have to brush the ends. That is bad. My hair is not the right haircut for this anymore. Oh, my hair feels disgusting. Oh my god. Oh no, I am not putting any more hairspray. No, no, we have to be a trooper. We want this to stay in all day. Definitely have more volume. You can literally like feel it in my hair. I feel like a lion.
If you don't like it, then you can just watch another video. You don't have to be mean.
I was actually so scared of like being cyberbullied for like making a hair tutorial because like no one did it in my school, so it was like, you know, quite so cute. Oh my god, look at that picture. That song, oh my god, that was from, I'm pretty sure that was from John Tucker Must Die. This is literally how girls had their hair. And you know, I feel like we were way more creative back in the day. Back in the day, this was the shit. I hope you enjoyed watching me try and recreate what I did like 10 years ago. It was actually quite fun to like reminisce into the past. I'm gonna go now and put like a shit ton of conditioner in my hair and try and get this out. Bye.